stage first. We acknowledge the contributions of everyone who are making this commencement exercise truly a success. Congratulations, graduates! You have been another part of the history of this alma mater. We shall now be having a special performance of the graduates.
Nasilubat na yung mga cellphone.